This is going to be a quick video just to walk you through exercise 4. So first we're going to create a new room. Come over to your resource tree, right click on rooms and select create room, or you can hit Alt-R. You can rename your room here by typing a new name if you want. Now we're going to add 2 object instances to the room. So on the left, make sure the instances layer is selected, and then go over to your resource tree objects, and I'm just going to drag red over here and gray over here to the right. And then I can just switch back to workspace 1 over here on the top left. Now we're going to make it so that object red moves with the arrow keys. So first I'm going to double click on object red, hit add event, and key down left. Now we're going to use jump to point in the movement section. Drag that over here. And we want to go left. Now if we remember from the page on orientation in GameMaker, left would be -x. So we're going to go -5 in the x, and I'm going to click relative. So we're going to move 5 pixels from where we currently are. And we're going to leave y blank. Now I'm going to repeat that for right, but this time I'll do +5, and then up and down. So for up is -y, so we're going to do -5 in the y box and click relative. And then finally down is going to be 5 relative. Now I'm going to close that, and I'm going to run the game. And now if I press the arrow keys, the red player should move around. Now we're going to do a little bit with collisions. I'm going to open Object Gray, add event, collision, and I want object red. So this is going to be when a instance of object gray collides with an instance of object red. And again, we're going to use jump to point, and we're going to use some code that is located in the project description. And in this case, we do not click relative. This code picks a random point inside the room and moves the gray player to it. So again, I'm going to run the game. And now, if I take the red player and run him into the gray player will jump to a random point in the room. Now to give you an example of the applies to box, I'm going to click the arrow back here in the collision, and instead of self, which is the default, I'm going to select other. Now, if I run the game, when the red player runs into the gray player, it is the red player that is transported to a random spot in the room. This is because the red player is the other person in the gray collision event. That's it for exercise 4. Export and submit a YYZ file.